Hey guys, just a quick video of a pork belly recipe that I'm doing. Again, this is just the initial stages. I serve this material on a commercial basis, but I cubed, right? I slice my my belly, nice thick pieces here. I cube it up like this. Season, salt, pepper. Do a little garlic. And I saute it. Good heat to give it some nice brown flavor. Now I'm going to be putting in, this is a pressure. I have a cup of vinegar, a couple cups of water. Drop that in there. I'm going to give it about 15 minutes. That should tender. Okay, guys. And I'm going to pull it, put it back in here, toss it with some sauce, and boom, done. Okay, guys? Thumbs up.